Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new row to your data tab or adding additional location. On the left-hand side, you'll see these different options. We're going to the fourth one, add a new row to your data. Here we see every column in the data, so we can simply type in any information that we have. As much of the information as we have, the more address information, of course, the better the location drops. These are the columns in my data. Your columns will definitely be different. You can either hit Map Now, which will add just that single location, or you can click Add Another Location, which will clear these fields and allow you to fill it in again. And it will drop those new locations, each one, onto the map. I'm just doing one for now, so I'm going to click Map Now. And that's been added to the bottom of my last page. And that's how you add a new row to your data from your Data tab. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.